Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today I prepared January favorites. My YouTube is fashion, beauty and lifestyle, so I'm gonna introduce some of my favorites in this month from fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Let's get started. First, fashion item, definitely gold accessories. I really love gold color. A few days ago I went to H&M, so I got this really cute gold ring. I really love ring earrings, but feel like I don't have like this thick shape, so I got it. But the problem is, when I got this at first, it looks okay. You can see it was broken, but I was really annoyed about that because it's not that cheap. So I feel like, what the heck? I'm patient. I told myself that, yeah, that could happen. That's life. Oh, okay. And the next item I bought from H&M is this bangle. It's just $1. And this gold ring. I really love simple rings, so I really enjoy to wear it. And the next fashion item is this neck warmer. I wear it every single day. When I go outside, I just feel like I need this chill neck warmer. It's really easy to wear. You can just put it like this. But the problem is, I also wear it at home, inside my room, whenever I feel cold. Really my favorite item. In this month, oh, you can see my earring is gone. It's annoying a little bit because I drop it a lot. So I just want to take that off. And the next, my favorite is, I introduced this jacket a lot. I got it from H&M. This gold jacket is really easy to wear and it looks fashionable. So whenever I get lazy to get dressed, I just wear it and go outside with this muffler. So my last fashion item is this watch. It's not a brand item. I got it from a Korean website because I need a watch for working. It's kind of big for me and I love this color. It's gold. It's really cheap, less than 30 I remember, and you can see the number is cherry red color. It's unique. I love it. I really like to wear it because I can check my time. Next is beauty stuff. I rarely buy beauty products, although I really love it, but I used up almost of my beauty products. I bought some of them. Okay, first, this is True Match foundation. This is one of my favorite. I used up more than three. The color is G7. It matches well with my color perfectly. It's not too much lighter because Korean people really like light white skin color, but I don't like that. I want to have a foundation matches well with my skin, so it perfectly matches well with my skin. So I love it. It looks real natural and it has some gold pearl inside of it, so it's really glow on my skin. I really love it. And the next item is this eyebrow curl. I got it from Wake Make. It's a Korean brand. Honey brown color. Before I use it, I draw my eyebrow by using my Innisfree eyebrow pencil, kind of dark color. I redraw my eyebrow with this one. And I also got an eyeliner from that brand, pen eyeliner, Wake Make, any proof pen eyeliner, black. It's really easy to draw, really quick in the morning. We have to save a lot of time for getting more sleep and eating breakfast. I really enjoy it, and although it's waterproof, it's really easy to wash it off. I draw my eyeliner with this one. It's about $7. The next item is eye makeup remover. Avocado double page eye makeup remover is kind of hard to say. I love this bottle. It's really easy to just like shake it, and I just use my, I don't know how to say that. Oh, I forget the word. I'm gonna find that. I've never used this brand before, but I enjoy to use this one. Before I use it, I always use Misha eye makeup remover, but I just feel like I want to change. It's not that too much for my eyes, because sometimes some of eye makeup remover is too much. That makes my eyes turn red and itchy, you know what I mean? But it doesn't, so I like it. I have three more. Three have more. Body Holic hand cream. really small. My hands are really dry sometimes, so I just need a small portion hand lotion, so I got it. It smells like a musk, but it contains some rose smell. The texture is like this, kind of watery, and it's a small portion, so it's really easy to bring. And it's really cheap, it's just $3. And my next item is body butter. I hasn't bought that, but I will definitely buy that because whenever I go to Boots, the drugstore, I heard that that's from England, but that's also in Korea. And I tried this body butter. Oh my god, the smell is so good, and I feel really happy whenever I put that on my hands. That smells lasts for a long time, so I'm definitely gonna buy that for my mental health and my body skin. So I'm gonna buy that. And my last beauty product I wanna share, I also hasn't bought that. That's a perfume. Name is Girl of Now, Ellie Sapp. I still smell this perfume. I tried it yesterday. The smell's pretty good. It smells like musky but contains some flower. I just love it, and it lasts for a long time. I'm definitely gonna buy that because I used up all my perfume. Hollister 2 lifestyle thing. I wanna share my smoothie. I don't know, I'm in these days I'm really kinda not in a good mood. I'm depressed. I don't know, maybe I just angry at things not working well. But you know, that's life. Sometimes that makes me really upset and angry and frustrated. Whenever I have some good food, I feel a lot better about myself and I could be more positive. I'm really into these days fruits, like oranges and bananas. I'm really into smoothie, especially in the morning. Smoothie is really good. That's the one reason I wake up, because I can have smoothie and coffee. My basic ingredients of smoothie is a frozen banana, cacao nibs, cinnamon powder, hemp seeds. Sometimes I put frozen mangoes, pineapples, and story berries. Oh, and almond milk. I rarely drink milk because that makes my stomach upset. So I'm gonna show that recipe soon on my channel. I want to introduce my planner. I used different colored of this diary in 2017. I rebought it. Yeah, I just write down every my work schedule and my schedule I want to achieve, what I want to have to get done, my ideas and everything. There is monthly and there is like day by day, so it's really good. Sorry, I'm not the organized person, you can see it. I just jot down everything and some checkbox I have to get done. Yeah, I know I'm not the organized person really. I'm doing my best, but people have their different style. But I love to write down my feelings and thoughts and ideas and everything. So I really enjoy to write my journal. That's all of my January favorites. I also want to share some of my book I read, but in this month I was freaking busy and lack of time. But in February I want to read some books about financial nutrition. Hope you guys enjoy my video and have a lovely and wonderful day. Bye.